Da da da. Give me them.
Hello all.
Hello.
Michael. Jesus Christ.
This is another DJ Cruz.
Sango sango. Sango Yesu Cristo. Sango meles patombeo. Sango hallelujah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a vlog and doing a vlog. Guys, forgive my hair, it's windy and so everything is scattered and I cannot do anything about it. I hope y'all can hear me because it's quite noisy here. So we're going to like a park that's by the beach. It's at the beach, one of those. And I'm here with everyone. You should say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone. Hello.
We love you. Say for how much? So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna keep you guys informed. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Put a comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me what you'd like me to do more, especially during the summer period. I think I'm going to fall, but I'm doing this for y'all guys. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. There's more for y'all, I promise.
Da da da. Give me the mic, yo. Jesus Christ.
This is another DJ Cruz.
Sango sango. Sango Yesu Cristo. Sango meles patombeo. Sango hallelujah. Sango they put together like a jigsaw. So what can I do if not to be grateful? You took me from being a nobody to the top of the pinnacle, and I be giving you what a praiseful. Haters pretending and celebrating my success. Tu sais que putain c'est comme la grossesse. Rappers talk about complexity, but when I really start, they need professionals to reactivate the process. Sango Yesu Cristo. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Sango Yesu Cristo. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Sango, 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 sango Yesu Cristo.
Look, this is the person who had yellow hair in my last video. Now she's be red. She's doing rainbow. Yeah, watch out for the next.
They call me Tina. Love one thing, no be my thing. But you get the way your body do me, I'm falling for real and I don't mind falling. Girl, I don't mind. Je suis tombé dans l'indem, tu es la seule dans mes rêves. Always on my mind, now you the run for my head, for my heart, you be landlady. Then on the rest, et si tu veux, je te ferai ma reine. Your body track me steady. Anytime you want, I'm ready. Yeah. They call me Tina. Love one thing, no be my thing. But you get the way your body do me, I'm falling for real and I don't mind falling. Girl, I don't mind. Je suis tombé dans l'indem, tu es la seule dans mes rêves. Always on my mind, now you the run for my head, for my heart, you be landlady. Then on the rest, et si tu veux, je te ferai ma reine. Your body track me steady. Anytime you want, I'm ready. Give me love one thing, when we make a bad boy sing.
How are you? I thought these things hate water.
Of course they do.
Who are you? There's more. Wow, look. Oh my god. Look, there's more. There's like two. Come and see now.
Digital on the beat.
Johnny gotta make dough. Johnny no nang, Johnny family they wait you. If Bolo no pay, te papa say Johnny na hero. Johnny be strong, Johnny be bold, Johnny be fight for people.
So what? How far? Like, what has it been like? You know, the mini outing. You know,
Very nice. Very nice. But for the races that we made.
I'm telling you, like, tell us what it felt like. No, really, tell us what happened. Like, for those of since there are viewers and yeah, tell us what happened.
I think it would be good if I say the pidgin.
Go ahead. So if I have Nigerian people watching, they will not understand.
Because of the pidgin.
Yeah.
No, I will speak both Cameroonian and Nigerian pidgin.
Confirm. Ale.
So what can be said? That can be said.
Okay.
I come here to come enjoy.
Okay.
I sit on these white people who will play ball. I said make I join them.
Syrian. Yeah, he said he wanted to join them to play football, yeah?
Now as I approach them, I want to see all they start wearing masks.
Can you imagine?
I was like, hey, what's going on here?
Yeah.
I said I just came to play ball, and everybody was like, yo. Come on.
I'm telling you. Then you went to ask the other family.
I went to another family that had the ball. They were not even playing it. The ball was just down. So I told them they should excuse me just for a few minutes, and they told me yoke.
Can you imagine?
And they actually ignored me.
Yoke.
A whole yoke.
Yoke.
Like who yokes?
No.
Okay, not even
So actually, I think we have to
Yoke means no.
we have to bring the protest from America to Turkey.
Yes, Black Lives Matter.
No justice, no peace.
Yes.
No justice, no peace.
Yes.
No justice, no peace.
Yes. Eunice, tell me, how's your experience been so far?
It has been cool and full of fun.
Oh, really? What did you enjoy most about today's outing?
Snapping pictures.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and the food too.
And the kebab we almost ate.
Yes. And the snacks.
We almost ate kebab. That's all your turn. You do yours tomorrow. You have to bribe me. You see that $100 you promised that guy when we
$100.
And then we
Yes, I got a new
were lucky.
Yeah, she got a new purse. Like, no, wait, let me tell y'all this one. She got a new purse. She told the guy she was going to give the guy $100, but she didn't have change. So the guy eventually she gave it for 15 TL. Like, she practically scammed the guy, but it's cool.
Yeah, that is tragic. You must be wise.
You wanted to say something?
When it's Oyibo man, they will say a new style. Then when it's countryman, they will say it's stealing.
So guys, you heard everything they said. Hope you stay tuned for the next vlog. We're going to an actual
for Cameroonian and Nigerian people who want to come in Turkey. Don't come.
Don't come.
It's a trap.
Like, this is the weirdest thing ever. Right now we've come to the other side. There are over 3 different sites, beach sites in this area. There's one that's like almost dead, like you're not allowed to swim, but people are just chilling around, taking ice cream, sitting around. It's cool. Then there's the other side where there are Syrians. God, those people are racist. Like, if I let me not add any other thing apart from the fact that they're racist, because this thing is going on the internet. I don't want to be counted for like, yeah. So yeah. Anyways, then this is like the 3rd place we've been to. I think here is mixed. There are like Turkish and Syrians, at least the ones we've seen so far, and they're a lot more friendly. Like, they're like, everything, hello. They're surprised to see us. I think we're the only blacks here. And it's more busy. There are some people playing music on the other side, some people selling around, some people sitting down picnicking. It's way more busy, and I feel like these people are more informed than the other people, so it's cool. This is like going to make up for the other places we've been to. We hope you enjoy it here, and we hope y'all enjoy watching this.
Love you one thing, no be my thing. But you get the way your body do me, I'm falling for real and I don't mind falling. Girl, I don't mind. She sit on bed and let them trailer sell them a ref. Always on my mind, now you the run for my head. For my heart, you be landlady. Tenants a rest. Et si tu veux, je te ferai marrer. Your body jack me steady. Anytime you want, I'm ready. Yeah. They call me Tina. Love one thing, no be my thing. But you get the way your body do me, I'm falling for real and I don't mind falling. Girl, I don't mind. Je suis tombé dans le même, tu es la seule dans mes rêves. Always on my mind, I really run for my head. For my heart, you be landlady. Then I the rest. Et si tu veux, je te ferai marrer. Your body jack me steady. Anytime you want, I'm ready. Give me love one thing.
Too much, excess love.
Only for you to be
You see, I hope you did not hype yourself for nothing, but better dance.
Look at this one, man.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Supposed to be a one.
See these people, they entered and they came down.
I allow them down.
Please go. We went the whole bus to ourselves. We're taking a cruise.
Yeah.
We
rented the bus, man.
I'm also.
She goes, yeah, say hello. She goes, yeah, say hello.
Say hello.
Yeah, Coco, yeah. Say hello, Luchi.
Hi.
Say hello, hi. All these people that did not go to school. Say hello, Eunice.
Mercy, who get this one? We get light.
I now me get them now. Say you go just disgrace me. No say this thing they go viral. You are just keep waiting for the camera.
Imagine conductor, yeah. I saw you.
Yes. Yes, y'all can sleep if you want.
No, I can't sleep.
Do you mind? There's space in Kujolu. It's true. It's true, Chico, that you carry her, Abi.
I will carry her.
See your plenty muscles.
Don't go to see.
They are fake.
Not allowed in physical.
This apartment that we have, we rented it. What are you doing here? You pay for MTL.
I'm telling you, he'll come and pay 2.5 to
We paid 5 years, you paid it.
he'll come and let's come and sit here. This is not fair.
Sit down now.
Huh?
No.
Why? After our 5 till. Black lives matter.
Is that a black boss matter?
I don't think that's it anymore.
Sister Victoria too is saying Black Lives Matter.
When you are not black.
Don't say it again.
Guy, chill. Jesus. We ain't in Igbo land.
Oh, money.
You know what I mean?
Ain't nobody know what you mean right here. No, sorry, nigga.